Hello everyone, today I will show you how to center text on a fillable text field using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your fillable PDF from with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this form option, and here you will find this select field option. Click here. Now click on this text field and select, and right click on your mouse cursor and select properties option, and properties dialog box. Click on this option and select, and this text box alignment is right align, and select a center align and see this and close. Also I will select this one, properties option, and select option. Here also select center and select close. Now click on this hand option and type text here, and see this text remains center of this text box. This one also automatically fixes center of this text box, and see this. In this way you can center align text on your fillable text field. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.